I've got some incredible news that you absolutely need to hear about, especially if you're receiving Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. What if I told you that a $5,500 direct payment could be heading to your bank account? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this exciting development. Before we dive deep into the details, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on important updates about Social Security benefits and direct payments. Your financial well-being is my top priority, and I want to make sure you're always in the loop. Now, let's address the burning question on everyone's mind: is this $5,500 payment really happening? The answer is yes, but there are some important qualifications and details you need to know about. This new initiative is part of a broader effort to provide additional support to our senior citizens and disabled veterans who have been significantly impacted by rising inflation and increasing living costs. You might be wondering, how do I know if I qualify for this payment? That's an excellent question, and I'm going to break it down for you in simple terms. If you're currently receiving Social Security retirement benefits, Supplemental Security Income, SSI, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or Veterans Affairs, VA, benefits, you could be eligible for this substantial direct payment. The timing of these payments is crucial to understand. The distribution is scheduled to begin rolling out as soon as tomorrow for many beneficiaries. However, it's important to note that not everyone will receive their payment on the same day. The distribution schedule is typically based on your Social Security number and the type of benefits you receive. Let's talk about why this payment is happening now. The government has recognized the significant financial challenges faced by seniors and disabled individuals, especially with the current economic climate. Rising healthcare costs, increased grocery prices, and higher utility bills have put a strain on fixed incomes. This $5,500 payment is designed to provide much-needed relief and help beneficiaries maintain their standard of living. Many of you have been asking about the application process. Here's the good news for most beneficiaries: there's no need to file an application. If you're already in the system receiving your regular benefits, you're automatically considered for this payment. However, there are some cases where additional information might be needed, and I'll explain those situations in detail. Something that's particularly important to understand is how this payment might affect your other benefits. I know many of you are concerned about whether accepting this payment could impact your current benefit amounts or eligibility for other assistance programs. Let me put your mind at ease: this direct payment is considered a special assistance payment and will not affect your regular benefits or other government assistance programs. Now, you might be thinking, what's the catch? Surprisingly, there isn't one. This is a legitimate initiative designed to provide financial support to those who need it most. However, there are some important things you need to know about how to use and report this payment properly. Let's talk about tax implications because I know this is a concern for many of you. The good news is that these direct payments are generally not considered taxable income. However, it's always wise to consult with a tax professional about your specific situation, as individual circumstances can vary. For those of you wondering about the payment method, these funds will be distributed the same way you receive your regular benefits. If you have direct deposit set up, the money will go straight into your bank account. If you typically receive paper checks, that's how you'll get this payment as well. Here's something crucial that you need to know: there are unfortunately scammers out there who might try to take advantage of this situation. Remember, no one from the Social Security Administration or any other government agency will ever call you asking for personal information or payment to receive these funds. If someone does, it's a scam. I've been getting a lot of questions about whether this is a one-time payment or if there will be more to come. As of now, this is being implemented as a one-time payment, but there are ongoing discussions about potential future support programs. I'll keep you updated on any developments in that area. For those of you who share households with other benefit recipients, you might be wondering if each eligible person can receive the payment. The answer is yes. These payments are individual, meaning each eligible person in a household can qualify for their own payment. Something that's particularly exciting about this initiative is how quickly it's being implemented. The government has streamlined the process to ensure that those who need this support can receive it as efficiently as possible. This is especially important given the current economic challenges many are facing. Let's talk about what you should do if you don't receive your payment when expected. First, don't panic. While payments are scheduled to begin tomorrow, the distribution process may take several days or even weeks to complete. However, if you're concerned, I'll provide you with the appropriate contact information and steps to take. Many of you might be wondering about the best ways to use this payment. While it's entirely up to you how to spend these funds, I'd like to share some smart strategies for maximizing the benefit of this payment, especially in today's economic climate. For those of you who are caregivers or family members of benefit recipients, you might have questions about how to help your loved ones manage this payment. I'll share some important information about that, including what to do if you're a representative payee. Now, here's something really important that I want everyone to understand: this payment is part of your rights as a beneficiary. You've earned these benefits through years of work or service, and this additional support is designed to help you maintain your dignity and financial stability. Speaking of financial stability, let's discuss how you can make the most of this payment. Whether you're planning to use it for immediate needs, pay off debt, or save for future expenses, I'll share some valuable tips on managing these funds effectively. I know some of you might be concerned about how this payment could affect other benefits like Medicare or Medicaid. Let me assure you that this payment will not impact your eligibility for these crucial healthcare programs. For our veterans receiving VA benefits, there are some specific details you need to know about how this payment coordinates with your other benefits. I'll make sure you have all the information you need to understand your entitlements. Remember, staying informed is crucial. That's why I encourage you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm constantly monitoring these developments and will provide updates as soon as new information becomes available. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of the key points you need to remember about this $5,500 payment. But first, I want to remind you to share this video with anyone you know who might benefit from this information. Knowledge is power, and we want to make sure everyone who's eligible knows about this opportunity. Now, what should you do next? First, make sure your direct deposit information is up to date with the Social Security Administration or VA. Second, keep an eye on your bank account over the next few days. And third, be patient while payments start tomorrow. It might take some time for everyone to receive their funds. I want to close by addressing one final question that many of you have asked: is there anything I need to do right now to ensure I receive this payment? For most of you, the answer is no. The system is designed to work automatically. However, staying informed about any updates or changes is crucial. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any important updates about these payments or other benefit-related news. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions. I read all comments and try to respond to as many as possible. Remember, we're all in this together, and I'm here to help you navigate these financial opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more important updates about your benefits and financial well-being. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't forget to check your bank account tomorrow.